Welcome to our guide on how to responsibly dispose of cooking oil. Improperly disposing of cooking oil can harm the environment and clog up sewer systems, so it's important to handle it correctly. Step 1. Let the oil cool down. Never attempt to handle hot oil as it can cause serious burns. Step 2. Find a suitable container. You can use an empty glass jar, a plastic bottle, or a sealed container specifically designed for oil disposal. Make sure the container is clean and dry. Step 3. Pour the cooled oil into the container slowly and carefully to avoid spills. Step 4. Seal the container securely with a lid or cap. Step 5. Label the container with the words "used cooking oil" and the date. This will help you keep track of when the oil was used and ensure you're disposing of it in a timely manner. Step 6. Check for local recycling options. Many communities offer recycling programs for used cooking oil. You can use Step 7 and take the container to the recycling center and follow their guidelines for disposal. Some centers may require you to pour the oil into a specific collection tank, while others may accept sealed containers. Step 8. For small amounts of oil, you can use oil-absorbent materials like paper towels or cat litter to soak it up before disposing of it in the trash. Just make sure to seal it in a plastic bag to prevent leaks. Step 9. And consider composting. If you have a compost bin, you can pour small amounts of cooled cooking oil into it. However, be mindful not to add too much oil, as it can disrupt the composting process. Step 10. Look for grease recycling programs. Some areas have specialized programs that collect used cooking oil and grease for recycling into biofuels or other products. Check with your local government or waste management department for more information. Remember, always clean up any spills and wash your hands thoroughly after handling used cooking oil to prevent contamination. By following these simple steps, you can help protect